Man them, there is a message going around social media from a female she says she's not the person sending the message. She's just a messenger. So, I'm going to give her a message to take back to those who sent the message. Listen to her.
I don't know which man need to hear this, but you see when the bee left your house, you got home, got turn on her rose. When the bee leave your house, she got home, got turn on her rose because you never go on with nothing, my boy.
So, that part of the message is coming from the big and wide community. And I'm going to tell you why I say this. When you pour in concrete in a big column or on a large decking, you have to send for a vibrator to compact the cement because the space is just too big. Concrete, all this runway from here and not set properly. Right? So understand why she need, or them need vibration.
You see when Caesar said, missionary getting boring, can we switch position? Somehow not going with nothing. I don't know the trouble and the talking what someone will give, it just now match up. We don't have the boom work. We don't have the length and strength. So how you get so much talking?
Alright, so you see when a space have very high mileage based on length and strength and hammering, the inner walls of that space develop crust. It take on the composition of muta baruka foot bottom. No farmer sensitivity. Muta can walk in a gravel and it wouldn't affect him. So these are the after effects of high mileage. Should I explain to you? And this is a part of the message me want she carry back to them. But I'm going to go further. Listen to her some more.
More while a woman really deal with it because she genuinely like you. Sometimes she all fake the little shake foot. And fake the little drop asleep when it done because she want you to feel good. But somehow you get a head on yourself and when your ego get too big. And if your ego bigger than your body, my boy, you lose 2 times in a life. And I mean, say so still like woman.
Alright, so get back that part-time message to them. We know, say, when you come to we, when you come to we because you don't like we. You come to we for the benefits. You come to we because you know, say, when you left there, you get a thing. So you can't trick we about like we no more. Right? We also know, say, when we pay you, it is no longer our duty to satisfy you. We got to satisfy ourselves now. Because we are pay for your product. It is on you now. You can either tap on one other man yard on your way home, or you can go along home, go use a vibrator and your dildo. Enough a man problem that now, because we know, say, uno can't please again. No man, humanly possible for no man please, But of course, we know, say man, the kind of man please you all the while until in tap give you no money. So yeah, deliver that for we Tell them, we know you're a messenger, we not shoot the messenger or do the messenger. Nothing. So deliver that message for we.